So hello everyone, today we will see build your personal prompt library. So in this session I will show you a document. As a sample you can take it. I will provide that document link in a Word document format in the description, and you can basically edit or take it as a sample and create your own personal prompt library so that you can save your best working prompts for future, so that you don't have to do again and again exercise of craft framework and again think about that prompt which you use to generate a specific type of image. So let's begin with today's session. So we have today build your personal prompt library. Basically you can build there are mainly four sections in which the prompts are being used or generated, or you can say the main applications of these prompts. First one is writing an email, then is research and summaries section, then is brainstorming, then is data and analysis. So these are the four basic areas in which you can divide your prompts. You can divide your prompts in creative areas also, like image generation, video generation prompts and all also. So now let us see the sample of a prompt library, like how a prompt library basically looks like. So I have made one for you all. So this is basically your personal prompt library. I have included 42 ready to use prompts across those areas, like across these areas, that is writing an email, research and summaries, brainstorming, data and analysis. So I have in total included 40 ready to use prompts here, so you can use these prompts. So now like first section is writing an email. So it consists of 10 sample prompts. Like here first example is rewrite this email to sound more confident in 3 sentences, then paste the reference email you want to basically rewrite and like sound it more confident in 3 sentences basically. Then next prompt is act as a professional editor, proofread the paragraph for grammar, clarity and tone, then paste the text. So similarly we have 10 prompt samples which basically can be used against some particular works regarding the email. So you can take reference, or you can extend this library also by adding your own prompts, your own categories. Like suppose you have created some best prompts, and regarding the images you have created some images and you have worked on a prompt for like 2 days or some time to get a perfect image using that prompt. Then you will save that prompt in this prompt library, so you can basically reference to that prompt in the later or in the future. So next section is research and summaries. For research and summaries section we have some prompts, that is summarize this document into 5 key bullet points and then you will paste the document. Then we have a act as a research analyst, extract the 3 most important statistics from this article, then paste the article. So next section, and so again this section also includes 10 example prompts. Next section is brainstorming. Now for brainstorming, like prompts will be like give me 10 unconventional ideas for, then you will paste your topic. Then is act as a creative director, brainstorm 5 campaign concepts for your product name or your product brand, you will tell. So in brainstorming also we have 10 sample prompts. You can extend this, or you can basically add your own category and then extend this document. Then is data and analysis. Then we have explained what this data trend means in plain English. Then you will paste data or description here. Then is act as a data analyst, identify any anomalies or outliers in the data set. Then you will paste data here. So in this section also we have provided some 10 sample prompts. You can again extend this area, or you can basically add your own category and add your own prompt in this. So we have mainly 4 major areas in this prompt library, and this is a sample how a prompt library looks like. You can also generate your own prompt library using this sample, or you can generate on your own also. So I will provide this documents link in the description. You can edit it or you can take it as a reference, and do share your own prompt library with us in the comment section. So today we are basically wrapping up the module 2. So what we have done till now in module 2, basically the art of prompting. So we have completed your prompt quality directly determines your output quality. We have understood this, like the differences between a weak prompt and a strong prompt. Let me show you. So we basically I have shown you this thing, what a weak prompt look like and what a strong prompt look like, what are the differences between them. Then we covered sorry, just a minute. Then we covered the craft framework, the context, role, action, format, tone framework, which is basically used to generate a perfect prompt. Then we covered iterative prompting. Then we covered advanced prompting techniques, that is zero shot, fuse shot, chain of thought, persona prompting. There are many prompting techniques also other than these. You can search those on Google also. Then we basically build our own personal prompt library. So this was the art of prompting framework or the module, and congratulations, you have mastered the prompt engineering. Here prompt engineering means the art of writing prompts and making a good prompt library for your future reference. So this is the end of the module 2, and in next module we will basically see AI for work and productivity. So let's meet in the next module. Thank you.